Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI Schools. Our mission today: solve the homework and practice 11-3 percents greater than 100 or less than 1. I will start with the question number 1 here. Okay, 137 percent. We agreed about this number over 100. Why? Because the percent sign. So any number have the percent sign, you can write it 137 over 100. Yes, you can write it over 100. Anything you have front of the percent sign, you write it over 100. Okay? Okay. Now what I have to do? The number up have no decimal point. Okay, so I need to create one from my head. I set it here all of time. Okay, now I have to move it to release or cancel the two zeros here. Okay, to cancel two zeros here, I have to move the decimal point 2 steps, 1 step for each zero. This is the first one and this is the second one. So I will move the decimal point here. Okay, it will be here. So I'm done. See, it is easy. So the answer 1.37 hundredths or 1 and 37 hundredths. So 137% equal 1 and 37 hundredths, or you can read it 1.37. This is question number 1. Okay, okay, let's take another question. Okay, I will select number 4 or number 3, number 4 then number 3. I will do this. Okay, it is 0.4 or 4/10. 0.4 percent. Again, as we said, any number here, it is over 100 because of this sign. So write it 0.4 over 100. Now, to release the 100 down, I have to move the decimal point regarding to the number of zeros. We have 2 zeros here, so I have to move the decimal point here 2 steps. But I have 1 digit here, so I create another one here. Okay, and then move the decimal point from here to here. So I have to erase this one. Okay, yes. And what's about the empty one? Fill it with 0. Okay, and erase this, and you get the answer. So it is 0.004, and you can add 0 here for decoration. Okay, how we read it? 4,000th. Why? Because if you have 3 digits, that means it is in thousandth. Okay, let us take another example. It is example or question number 3. Okay, question number 3, it is 3 over 4 percent. The teacher said any number front of the decimal of the percent, it is over 100. But in the fraction case here, we have to move it or convert it to decimal. So convert it to decimal. 3 over 4, stop, don't do anything. Just write the 3 over 4. And we said the 3 over 4, it is one of the famous fraction. And it is equal what? Yes, it is equal 0.75. Thank you. Percent. So instead of this, it is equal this. So I write this. You see? Now I apply what I learned. This number over 100 because of this. Okay, now write it 0.75 over 100. Yes. Now I have to release the 100 or cancel the 100. How I cancel 100? By moving the decimal point to the left. the same number of digits. So 1 digits, 2 digits I have. Let me change the L1. Sorry. Okay, again. So let me change the L1. Okay, now, so 1, 2. I have 2 zeros, so move the decimal point here 2 steps to the left. So this is the first step after the 0. Then I create this empty place and set or put the decimal after of it. Okay, and regarding to the empty one, fill it with 0. Okay, now erase this and this and this. We cancel this, see. Okay, and cancel this one. Sorry, I damage everything. Okay, and cancel this one. Okay, see, it is 75 10,000, and you can set 0 here for decoration. It is easy and the same idea. Okay, my dear students. Okay, let us take one more example. Okay, and I will be enough. I will take 2 examples. I will take this one and then this one. It is 100 half. 100 half percent. As we learned, 100 half over 100. So I have to cancel the 100 down. We have to move the decimal point 2 digits. I like the orange one. Okay, 1, 2. So this one or this decimal will move here. Okay, if I want to cancel this, so cancel it. Sorry, I lose the 5. Okay, and it will be here. Again, I confused me too. 100.5 over 100. Okay, to cancel the 100 we have to move 2 digits. So this decimal point must move here. Why? 2 digits. 1, 2. So set the decimal point here and erase everything. This one first and this one. Okay, so it is 1.005 and this 1.005, it is 1 and 5,000th. Okay, my dear students, the last question is 1000%. 1000%. As we learned, this number over 100, so 1000 over 100. You can apply what we learned. Let me take in two ways. Okay, you learned as teacher we create a decimal point here and we jump 2 digits. Yes, so this will be moved here. Yes, so it will be here and we cancel everything. Yes, and keep the zeros or leave them is the same. So the answer is 10. Okay, because this has no value. Okay, I have another way. If you have like this, you have easier way. You just cancel 1 0 up, 1 0 down, 1 0 up, 1 0 down. So 10 over 1 equal 10. Okay, my dear students. Thank you, my dear students, and I hope you get all the benefit from this practices. Thank you again, and see you soon, inshallah.